guys and welcome back. I am Shreya and I am back with a solution to your every problem related to your beautiful face. In this video, I am going to show you 3 very useful and chemical-free face masks that you can prepare easily with the things available at your home. And also, this video is going to be a bit different from my regular DIY videos because here I have invited 3 very special guests and they are going to show you this face mask, and also they use this as their regular face care routine. And here I have included all the skin types, that is oily, dry and combination. So you can pick any method according to your skin type. And for the best results, follow this method twice a week and see drastic changes in your skin. Now, without having a much delay, let's get started. And yes, this face pack is for males and females both. So, all the males out there, keep watching. This video is very useful to all of you. Leave your suggestions in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.